Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. So we had nice trades today, 4 out of 4 winners, and that were day trades. Called out in the voice chat. So if you aren't in the voice chat, again, chat room is free to join. All these live alerts are free to join. Link is in the description. So these are the 4 trades that I took. Posted them in the winning trades. I took 2 trades on BA, 1 on Disney, and the last on GILT, which is Gilead Sciences. So the first one I took BA long in the morning at 9:46, right here at 146, and got out 146.58. So that was in the morning right here. Was looking for a quick gap up on this one, got in on the candle, and then went up and sold. That was a quick gap play, so I was looking for candles to reverse. Found some bottom here. Candles were closing higher, open higher, so quick gap play. And then the next one, which again, I didn't stick to risk management. It was pretty shaky, but got out on green. I'll explain what happened on this one. So I got in at 143.47 and then added a little bit at 143.45. That was at 10:20 in the morning. So right about here, I got in at 143.46 and it was going up on this candle, and what happened immediately came down. So I didn't take profits over there. It was only 20-30 cent profit on that one. So I was looking for a little bit more, break over 144, but it came back down. So let's zoom in on this section right here. So what happened? Went up and then just kept coming down, so added a little bit more when it started reversing. I should have cut losses below 142, should have been my stop loss, but again, I saw SPY reversing up on this one, so I saw it going up and gapping up. What happened on the pullback here? It pulled back a little bit and I saw the green candle come in, so I saw Apple and other Dow stocks go up, so I was looking for BA to follow up as well. So that's why I stayed in on this one. And what happened? Bounced off low. I saw this hammer come in on this one, and what happened? Huge green engulfing candle and went up, added a little bit on the way up. So I was looking to get out on this one, and what happened? Went up all the way to 143 and 144, and then that's where I sold this position right there. So sold at 140, where was it? 146 over that one. So that was pretty much it on that trade there. So what happened? Kept going up 143.79, and then I took profits on that one. What happened? Kept going up all the way 144, 145. So that's what usually happens to me when I sell a position, and when I'm going long, immediately jumps up right after. So that's it on the trade. And then the last 2 trades were Disney short. Not a big gainer on that one. That was just moving sideways, so nothing really to recap on that one. Gilead Sciences, that was an amazing trade. Got out a little early on that one, and I'll show you what happened here. So it was coming down, and what happened? I saw bottom here at 74. So if we load up my other normal script that I use, I saw the 200 SMA support right over here. Anytime I hit that, it was bouncing. As soon as it broke below, I know that it was following a bottom here and was flushing out weak hands, and I was looking for a reversal from there. So I've been using my new 920 script. If you're in the course, link is in the description on how to grab the course. This is my new script that I've been using and testing out, working out very nicely. So I saw bottom and I was looking for 74 support. As soon as it broke below, I got this buy alert on this one. As soon as it started reversing, I was looking for MACD and RSI reversal as well. So notice how that reverses, MACD curls over, and we get a nice follow up. What happened on this one? I got in at 74, let's take a look, 74.16, and then I took profits on the 74.3 break. But I sold early, and I'll show you why I did sell early. So I was in this section right here. There wasn't much movement on these candles, so let's jump back in. Wasn't much movement. I saw a break over 74.3, came back down again, and these candles were very weak, so I didn't want to be holding this for hours in the day. If it was just moving sideways, I wanted to be done, grab lunch. So I just took profits on 74.3, broke over, and what happened? Broke over 90 EMA, kept running into the day. Wow, what a move. Kept all the way running to 76.25. So if you caught that, that's a potential $2 per share move up, but I was looking for this quick reversal to 74.5 got very close to my target, got out, and I alerted that one in the trade alerts as well. So I alerted the Disney short, and then I alerted the GILD trade. It's a nice $2 per share move. GILD entered at 74.16 and my target was 74.5, but again, it didn't move fast enough, so I just took profits on that one. Called it a day. That was my last trade, and that's it. That was 4 out of 4 winning trades. So again, all these trades and the voice chat right here, you can click that button and join for free every morning. I'll be doing that I've started doing that from last week. So if you want to join the chat room, you can join with the link in the description, or head over to pinnacletrading.us, scroll down here and click that button, join now for free. And if you're interested in the course, and if you're interested in learning these setups, how I find these setups, or the scripts that I use, or how to find these trades, or if you're just interested in risk management, swing trading, long-term investing, day trading, it's all in one bundle, and it's 40% off right now. So this is what the course has to offer you. So if you're interested, join the chat room for free. I call out all the live alerts for free, and there's a VIP section just for the course members for the advanced strategies, and the course is 40% off till end of the month. So just tomorrow is going to be last day on that one. If you have any questions, send me a message in the chat room. Again, if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media and click that like button as well. I'll see you in my next video.